Hello traders, in this video I am taking a look at the Argos Fury EA for MT5, an expert advisor currently available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, one thing that is clear from the Marketplace page is that this EA is designed specifically for MT5. At the time of recording, it's listed at a purchase price of 778 US dollars, and the current version is 1.6, updated on April 4th, 2026. As we go through the description, the developer presents Argos Fury as an EA that combines deep seek with what is called the dynamic reversal zoning strategy. All right. Now, according to the information provided, the goal is to create an adaptive system that responds to changing market conditions rather than relying entirely on predefined patterns or fixed setups. The recommended setup is also clearly outlined here. The EA is intended for XAUUSD on the H1 time frame. All right. With a minimum leverage of 1:30 and a minimum deposit of $200. The developer also states that it can be used with all brokers. Now, moving further into the page, a major focus is placed on the deep seek analysis model. The description explains that it analyzes market conditions in real time, evaluates volatility, identifies patterns, and adapts to changing market phases. The developer highlights areas such as assessing market strengths and weaknesses, identifying transition zones, and adjusting to different market environments. Now, the second component is the dynamic reversal zoning strategy. According to the marketplace description, this approach focuses on liquidity zones where price reversals may occur. The EA is designed to identify areas where price pressure builds or momentum begins to weaken before looking for trading opportunities. The developer also explains that entries are influenced by several factors, including real-time zone detection, re-entry logic, candle structure, volume, and movement speed. The overall concept presented here is that DeepSeek provides market context while the strategy determines how to respond to specific conditions. Now, let's just move over to the historical backtesting section. All right. When reviewing historical results, I prefer to focus on how the EA behaved throughout the tested period rather than looking only at the ending balance. All right. So this is going to be the Argos Fury EA. We are testing it on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, and we are conducting the back tests from the beginning of this year. So it's covering about 5 months and a week. The data for about 5 months and a week. And for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server every tick modeling. Okay. Meanwhile, longer testing periods can provide a broader view of how an automated system reacts across different market environments. And I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself to gain a more complete understanding of its performance characteristics. Okay. Because this 5 months is actually not really enough to, judge the EA's performance. Okay, so now looking at the backtest results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit is over 24%, covering about 5 months worth of data, right? So 24,177.94 is the total net profit. The total trades taken 38, short trades 20 with a 90% win rate, long trades 18 with 77.78% win rate. The largest profit was 2,142.14, largest loss 6,690.09, average profit 1,947.49, average loss 6,356.95. So that tells me that the risk to reward ratio is bad. It's actually bad. But one of the things that contributed to the total net profit being over 24% is definitely is well, based on my observation, is most likely the win rate. One of the contributing factors, actually, not necessarily the entire reason. Okay, because from 38 trades, over 24% profit, and of course, you can see that the win rate is pretty good. Now, let's just quickly look at the EA in action. Or first of all, let's go through the chart. All right, when reviewing historical testing results, okay, it's important to remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. So looking through the historical chart activity, the behavior appears consistent with the marketplace description. Since the EA is built around reversal zones and liquidity-based analysis, it is responsible, or rather it is reasonable. It's reasonable to observe how entries and exits align with areas where market pressure appears to shift. Now, the developer's explanation suggests that the system attempts to adapt to changing market conditions rather than applying a single fixed approach throughout every phase. And as always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. Results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Okay, so having looked at the chart history, let's also just briefly see the EA in action just for a brief moment. All right, so we can see here the EA in action, and then you can see this dashboard here shows candle, lot, profit, risk, funds, trades, drawdown. Okay, and then here you can see your algo trading, MT algo trading. All right, so the information that we got from our backtest results shows us, that the EA seems to not be the type to, accumulate a lot of trades, or rather stack a lot of trades, right? Because over about 5 months, we didn't see thousands of trades executed. So this is likely not a scalping EA, maybe more of a swing trading EA. All right. Anyways, overall, the Argos Fury EA for MT5 presents an interesting concept by combining deep seek analysis with a dynamic reversal zoning approach focused on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame. As with any automated trading system, I would strongly recommend conducting your own testing and optimization before considering live deployment so you can determine whether it fits your personal trading objectives and risk tolerance. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.